to the studio. It's Froyle here, and I'm so excited that you've joined me for the next exciting chapter in our creative journey. As a mixed media artist with over 3 decades of experience, I'm passionate about 2 things: creating my own beautiful layered artworks and encouraging you to discover your own artistic voice. Welcome to class 10 of 100 Days of Collage mixed media art class. This is the 10th chapter of our adventure exploring textures of travel in collage. And we're going to be having so much fun exploring the ways travel shapes memory, imagination, and creativity. Together, we'll create collages that capture the spirit of journeys, both real and imagined, using maps, souvenirs, postal artefacts, and the fragments we collect along the way. Each artwork becomes a part of a visual travelogue, a layered story of where you've been, where you dream of going, and the beauty found in the in-between moments. We're going to be traveling through days 64 to 70 of 100 Days of Collage. Now, who is this class for? This class is for anyone wanting to develop your creativity. Whether you're a beginner or a more advanced artist, you're going to be inspired and encouraged to really embrace your own artistic voice and push yourself past the boundaries of where you've been before with your creative expression. Whether you're just beginning your creative journey or you've been making art for years, you'll find plenty here to inspire and challenge you. And I'll be guiding you every step of the way, sharing the exact materials, techniques, and creative prompts that I use to help you create your own stunning personal pieces. And if you're a more advanced artist, this class will stretch your imagination and help you deepen your artistic voice. It's going to be so much fun. So where do you want to go? We're going to be working through 7 prompts and a whole lot of techniques. We'll be working in an art journal format, and I'm here right with you every step of the way, cheering you on, encouraging you, showing you the exact materials that I'm using and how you can create these prompts as an expression of your own creativity. I can't wait to get started as we head off on our mighty fine adventure. So let's gather our materials and let's make art.